Ever wonder if sleeping with your phone right next to your
Yeah,
head is
that sounds
actually a
perfect.
bad
I'll see you
idea?
there.
It's a habit most of us have, but the impact on your brain and safety might surprise you. First, let's talk about that blue light. It's not just annoying, it's a biological signal that tells your brain it's still daytime, slashing your melatonin production by more than half. This can shift your internal clock by hours, making deep sleep almost impossible to reach. Then there's the radiation. While phone signals are non-ionizing and don't damage DNA like X-rays, keeping the device against your head all night increases your exposure. Physics shows that moving it just 3 feet away reduces that exposure by nearly 90%. But the most immediate danger is actually under your pillow. Charging a phone on a soft surface traps heat, which can lead to a dangerous battery failure or even a fire. Beyond the physical, there's a psychological trap called anticipatory anxiety. Even when it's silent, your brain stays alert, waiting for a notification that keeps your stress system engaged. For the best rest, try placing your phone on a hard surface across the room. You'll eliminate the fire risk, cut the radiation, and finally give your mind the true silence it needs to recharge.